Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 5a with a broken display and it needs a new screen. So let's go and fix it. So when you replace the screen on a Google Pixel 5a, you have to remove the screen first. So unlike other smartphones wherein you remove the back cover first, this one allows you access to the internals through the front display itself. So David here is gonna try to pry off the old display. You can see a crack on the bottom portion of the unit, and then you can see that there's a flex cable connected to the main board inside. So we have to be very careful not to yank the old display off the device because we still need to remove it carefully. You can see here it is held on by this bracket, and the connector is really secure because there's just this one screw and this bracket that's pushing it in. This is a good design for me, to be honest, and I hope that some smartphones can follow this type of design. The problem with this design is you can't access the battery easily because it's under the board, but a screen replacement is really easy. So if you want to try a Google Pixel 5a screen replacement, you can do so. Just make sure you have the correct part, right tools, and experience at least on basic electronics. But if you don't want the hassle, David is here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre to do the job for you. And by proper tools, we also mean that you should have this liquid glue that will help you attach the new display to the frame of the device. If you don't have this one, then you can't really complete the repair properly. You can duct tape it, but it's not really that professional. So this one is kind of tricky, but David managed to screw it in, and then we're gonna position the new display and press it in to the frame. As you can see, it's really easy. And then we're gonna try to press it in. We're not gonna put heavy stuff on top of it. David is using the rubber band method. This has been proven to let the glue cure properly without putting pressure on the new display. And you can also perform some cleanup while you put some rubber bands. You can put as many rubber bands as you want. Just make sure that it's kind of secure and evenly applying pressure on top of the display. So if you have a Google Pixel 5a or other Google devices or even iPhones that need screen replacement, you can head down to Sydney CBD Repair Centre or message us on Facebook or visit our website sydneycbd.repair so we can do this kind of repair for you. So thanks for joining, guys. This one is fixed. Ready for the client. So till next time, cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.